Welcome to our comparison of the MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi and the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A Gaming Wi-Fi 6E motherboards. Today, we'll explore their specifications, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your next build. The MSI B550M is a budget-friendly option that supports AMD Ryzen 5000 series CPUs, while the ASUS ROG Strix offers advanced features for the latest Ryzen 7000 series. Let's dive into the details. The MSI B550M PRO-VDH is priced at $119, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious builders. In contrast, the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A comes in at $249, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. While the MSI offers great value for entry-level builds, the ASUS targets users looking for high-end performance and features. In terms of performance, the MSI B550M supports AMD Ryzen 5000 and 3000 series CPUs, providing solid performance for mid-range gaming and productivity. The ASUS ROG Strix B650-A, however, supports the latest Ryzen 7000 series CPUs and features PCIe 5.0, offering superior performance for high-end gaming and content creation. If you're looking for cutting-edge performance, the ASUS is the clear winner. Both motherboards come with a range of features, but they cater to different needs. The MSI B550M includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and multiple USB ports, making it a well-rounded choice for most users. On the other hand, the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A boasts advanced connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 6E, USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, and 3 M.2 slots for high-speed storage. If features are your priority, the ASUS offers a more comprehensive package. In conclusion, the MSI B550 PRO-VDH is a fantastic budget option for those looking to build a solid system without breaking the bank. Meanwhile, the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A is ideal for users who want the latest technology and are willing to invest more for enhanced performance and features. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.